Jason here with RPM, another exhaust product. This is our RPM 3-inch race pipe. This is a race pipe. No muffler, no cat, no nothing. 3 inches, fishtail tip coming out the side of the frame. Super popular with the short course guys, desert racing guys, and guys who want a really loud exhaust. There is no louder pipe out there. This is crazy as it gets. So it's all stainless steel, tape welded, dual O2 bunks for guys running a wideband or data logger, Motec, whatever that may be. Chain link, extra heavy duty flex pipe. We use a rubber isolator up here. We attach it to the frame. It's simple, quick, easy install. You save a ton of weight. I mean, these things don't weigh anything. You're ditching your stock cat, muffler, everything. But this thing is loud, so I'm gonna warn you right there. It's loud. If you're looking for a quiet pipe, that's cheap. This ain't it. This is a really affordable exhaust because there's not a whole lot to it for us to build these, but they are extremely loud and they are legit. We've had these for sale for a while, and we've been selling them to a ton of people, race guys who want loud pipes, desert racers. We always get the question is, what's it sound like? Well, it sounds really loud, but we'll fire it up on our buddy Spencer's car here, his little race car, and we'll give you a little tour of it out here on the sand, and you kind of hear and feel what it sounds like, and listen to that turbo whistle, because there's a lot of turbo whistle when there's nothing there like this. So let's fire it up, jump in. You can pick these up at rpmsxs.com, and yeah, we'll do this. Alright guys, that's a 3-inch race pipe from RPM side by side. Pick it up, rpmsxs.com.